Hello kids, in today's class we are going to start with the exercise based upon the algebraic expressions which we have learnt in our last class. So the first question is, write the following using literals, numbers and signs of basic operators. Okay, and the question number first part says x is increased by 12. So we have to write the algebraic expression using this. X is increased by 12. So this will become x plus 12. Next is y is decreased by 7. So I'm writing the second part. Y is decreased by 7. Third one is the difference of A and B when A is greater than B. So it says that we have to write the difference of A and B and A is greater than B. So I'm writing A minus B and here A is greater than B. Okay. Next, the product of x and y added to their sum. So first of all, what we have to do, product of x and y. This will be x multiply with y and now it is added to their sum. This product, I'm taking this in bracket, this is added to their sum. So this is plus their sum, their sum is x plus y again. So when we are going to solve this, this will become x into y can be written as xy. So this is xy plus x plus y. You can write it this way. You can also write it as this way. Okay. Next, fifth, 1/3 of x is multiplied by the sum of a and b. 1/3 of x. So how we are going to write 1/3 of x? 1/3 of x is 1 by 3 multiply with x. This is 1/3 of x. I'm writing this whole in one bracket. And now this complete is multiplied. This complete is multiplied by the sum of a and b. We are multiplying this with the sum of a and b. A plus b. So this is our whole expression. And now let us try to solve this. 1 by 3 of x can be written as x by 3. And now what we are doing? We are multiplying this with a plus b. So this will become something like this. Also can be written by x by 3 of a plus b. Okay. So I hope you have understood what we have done. First of all, it is given as 1 by 3 of x. So this is 1 by 3 into x into a plus b. So this will become x by 3 of a plus b, x by 3 into a plus b. This is how we have to do it. Okay. Next. So sixth is 5 times x added to 7 times y. So this is easy kids. How we have to do? Sixth part I'm writing here. 5 times x. Okay. This is added to 7 times y. 5 times x means 5 is multiplied with x and now this whole expression it is added to 7 times y. So when we are going to solve this, this will become 5x added to 7y. Okay, this is easy. So kids, what you have to understand here is that how you have to form these expressions using multiply and division, addition and subtraction. And also whenever we have multiple operators, it is always advisable to use a bracket. Okay, if you are going to write everything in a bracket, it will be very simpler to solve this. Okay, I'm just erasing this part and now let us do the seventh. Seventh is sum of x and the quotient of y by 5. Wait, let me do this fast. Yeah. So we have 6 as 5 times x. That means 5 multiplied by x in one bracket. And sorry, 6 we have done. I'm doing 7th now. 7th is sum of x and quotient of y by 5. So sum of x and the quotient of y by 5. Quotient of y by 5 means y divided with 5. This is added. So this will become x plus y by 5 as the expression. Next we have x taken away from 4. This is easy. We know 4 minus x. Then 2 less than the quotient of x by y. This is also easy. Next I am doing the 10th part. X multiplied by itself. So this is x multiplied by, sorry, I'm writing this in another form. X multiplied with itself. This is x into x. We can write this as x square, right? Or we can also call it as x to the power 2. Next we have twice x increased by y, 11th one. Twice x means 2 times x, this one, is increased by y. So this is 2x, 2 times x is 2x, and this is increased with y. So this is our expression. Next what we have is the 12th part, thrice x added to y squared. Thrice x means 3 multiplied with x, and this is added to y squared. So kids, we know what is y squared. It is y to the power 2. And let us solve this. This will become 3x plus y squared. So I hope you are understanding that how we are writing all these expressions, kids. Okay. Now let us move further. We have x minus twice y. So how do we write this x minus twice y? This is x minus twice y means 2 into y. So this will become x minus 2y. Okay. So similarly, I'm leaving the other as homework for you. These are very, very easy. Now, let us move to the next question. Question number 2, which says, Ranjit scores 80 marks in English and X marks in Hindi. What is his total scores in 2 subjects? So we just have to form the expression here. Ranjit scores 80 marks in English. So this is 80 and X marks in Hindi. What is his total score? So total is we have to add. So this will become 80 plus X. This is our expression. Okay. Now let's go to question number 3. First part, it says B into B into B. Multiply this 15 times and we have to write it in the exponential form. Okay. So when we are going to write it in the exponential form, we are given B into this up to 15 times. So the exponential form will become, first of all, we will write the base, that is B, and the exponent, which is 15 here, because we are writing this 15 times. Okay. Next here we have y into y up to 20 times. So base will be y, exponent will be 20, and we call it y raised to the power 20. Yeah. Next, question number 3 I'm doing here. We have 14 multiply with a how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm writing a 4 times here, and then we have b 3 times, 1, 2, 3. What we have to do? We have to write this in exponential form. This 14 will be as is. I'm writing 14, and now this a is 1, 2, 3, 4. So the base is a, exponent is 4, a raised to the power 4, because base is a here and we are writing this 4 times. And then we have b. So base is b, and how many times? 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So this becomes 14, a raised to the power 4, b raised to the power 3. This is our algebraic expression. Okay. Next we have 4th part, where we have 6 multiply with x into y into y. So 6 is a number, it will remain as is. We will take x 2 times, so this will become x to the power 2, y 2 times, y to the power 2. This is our algebraic expression now. Okay. Last one I am leaving as a homework for you. Okay. Now question number 4, where we are given with some terms, and what we have to do is we have to write in their product form. Okay, so in the question number 3, we were given the product form, and we have written it in the exponential form and the algebraic form. And now we are given the algebraic form, we have to write it in the product form. This reverse we have to do. First part we have is x squared and y raised to the power 4. So that means we have to write x how many times? 2 times. So this is x multiply with x. 2 times we have written. And now y we have to write 4 times. Y is the base 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this is 4 times we have written y here. Easy? Right? Question B I'm marking as homework, 3 is homework, 4th I'm doing here. In 4th we have 10 a cube, b cube, c cube. Why cube? Because we have 3 in the power. So 10 is a number, it's a constant, so there will be no change, 10 as is. And this is in multiplication with a. Okay, so a how many times? 3. 1, 2, 3. A is done. Now I'm writing b 3 times. 1, 2, 3. 3 times. And now c. Okay, 3 times. And understand, kids, when we do not have any operators between the two literals or between the two numbers, it is always in product form. They're always in multiplication with each other. For that reason only, I am using these multiple operators here. Okay, these are the multiply operators I'm using here. Similarly, here also. Okay, so with this, we have completed this exercise. Please do the homework, do these questions again, practice them. And if you have any questions, you can always email me. And I will see you all in the next class now. Thank you.